Hi, my name is Andrew Bazan, and I'm going to present to you the performance management system that Apple uses and what changes they could make. Let me start off with giving you a little bit of a background on Apple. Apple started off in the year 1976 as a computer company. It is an American-based company. It is a corporation that designs and manufactures computers, hardware, software, and other consumer electronics. It is famous for its Macintosh personal computers. The company's founders members were two friends, Steve Jobs and Wozniak. It has, however, over the years transformed into an intricate company and specializes in much more than computers. Other products related to the corporation are the iPod, personal music player, iTunes media applications. The company headquarters in Cupertino, California. The company uh, boasts of over 200 retail locations spanning over 10 different countries. Over decades, it has developed a unique reputation in the consumer electronics field. 45% of the company was owned by Jobs, 45% by Wozniak, and the other 10% by Wayne, who later sold his share because he was scared to put his personal assets at risk. He sold the shares he owned at $800. The current value of his share would have been over 3 billion US dollars today. The single most important PR choice ever made by Apple was the release of the 1984 commercial. The commercial was aired during the third quarter of the Super Bowl. It was a result of George Orwell's novel in 1984. Regardless of some people's views on the commercial, there's no refuting that it marketed a key event in history of Apple. Apple brought a much needed infamy to the Macintosh line of computers. After the release of the iMac in 1998, Apple was able to mask its previous failures. The most recent development of Apple is the iPhone 7 Plus. The company is phenomenal in its technological advancements and continuous innovation. This company applies the generic and intensive growth strategies. With the generic strategy, the company can differentiate its products in the market, which gives its a competitive advantage. Intensive growth strategies, which include product development and market penetration, require that the company should continually innovate. This is the line with the vision statement where the company aims to constantly innovate. From the vision statement, the company does not settle for less, implying that the performance management is a part of their strategy. The performance management system of Apple ensures that the company continually innovates to maintain the competitive advantage. Product development is the main strategy the company utilizes to develop its market shares. With the systems, employees improve their skills, which make the company's staff very creative to sustain the innovations. Additionally, the employees' overall performance in the corporation is rewarded based on the performance. Top performers are highly rewarded and the benefits are based on an individual performance. Therefore, the performance management system maintains innovation in the company and also acts as a rewarding formula for top performers. Apple uses a combination of behavior and results approaches. Studying the consumer behavior provides a fundamental market for understanding the customer's needs. The company achieves this through market researches. The Apple Corporation has an intimate understanding of their customers, thus possessing a competitive advantage over other companies that do not. The company is also result-oriented. From this vision statement, the company aims to continually innovate and develop its products to satisfy the customer needs. This has helped the company stand out in the market. Apple uses a com- uh, comparative, also known as force distribution system, evaluation system. Unlike other rating methods, force distribution system eliminates rating errors, although it is prone to discrimination. The company rates the employees on three areas: innovation, teamwork, and results. The employees are rated on their performance in these three areas. With the application of the force distribution system, the company has categorized the performance levels into three. The performance is rated as either needs improvement, met expectations, or exceeded expectations. The poorly performed employees are rated as needed improvements, while the top performers are rated as exceeded expectations. The employee's performance is reviewed annually. Performance information is provided by the managers and the heads of departments. It is the duty of managers to review the overall employee's performance and rate them according to their annual achievements. The employees' raters are not given any special training program on rating the staff members. The managers, however, are trained on how to run the department and handle the staff members. With the performance records of each employee, the heads of the departments can rate their performances. This method is prone to biasing and discrimination. When a team has completed the task, individual rating members of the team may be based on personal judgment. This may lead to errors in the rating. During the performance management process, the CEO of the Apple Corporation holds weekly meetings. During these meetings, no one is allowed to hide behind PowerPoint. In these meetings, all issues are addressed fully. The employees are well incorporated and their issues are addressed. The meetings are quite lengthy at times as there could be numerous issues. The performance management system of employees is communicated to them via these weekly meetings. Employees are criticized on areas that require improvement and rewarded on the areas where credit is due. The areas that were not well performed are also noted, and the staff members are their contributions on the topics. In the case of unsatisfied employees who believe their efforts were not well rewarded, there exists an appeal process in the corporation. For a company as large as Apple, working individually may be stressful. Team performance is thus used widely in the company's operations. As it was indicated, the employees are rated on three areas. These areas include innovation, teamwork, and results. All these aspects are important as they determine the company's success. Apple is very welcoming to feedback from its consumers as well as its employees. Consumers give their feedback via the numerous avenues such as on the social media, via the company websites, emails, contacting the customer call centers, or visiting the customer care desk. The company has invented vast resources ensuring staff development. Staff members are trained on company-driven requirements, management skills, and general awareness education. Employee training is offered in California. For the success of any company, there exists a series of rules and regulations that must be followed by all parties of the company. Likewise, the corporation in question has guidelines that are essential for peaceful coexistence of employees as well as the growth of the company. Legal guidelines are mandatory in the Apple Corporation and are followed with no questions whatsoever. This presentation has analyzed the performance management system of the Apple company. The employees are rated and rewarded depending on their performance throughout the year. The company has adopted the force distribution system where the managers rate the employees. This approach presents with a perfect way of classifying the employees according to performance, but it is prone to biasing. The company is doing well in rewarding their employees with benefits depending on individual performances. However, the rating system should be recognized to ensure accuracy, Also, the organizational citizenship behavior and counterproductive work behaviors are not considered in the rating system. The rating system should be tailored to incorporate them as they indicate staff loyalty. The staff should be well rewarded to ensure the high retention of the best employees. The company should also allow the employees to rate themselves and their peers. Thank you.